we're back at it again with the 4.6 4-valve. Let me tell you something. We've been pulling motors, we've been installing tubular K-members, but guess what we're back to? We're back to the motor, because you know what we got in? We got the heads, we got the cams, we got the timing stuff. Let me tell you something, brother. We got the motor back in the living room. Went ahead, threw the head gasket on, boom, boom. I'm gonna unbox these heads, give you guys a look of Jordan Martin's work from Modular Head Shop. Give you a little look, and we'll get back to you. I'm just quarantining myself, working on my car, doing whatever I gotta do. But yeah, so stay tuned. Let me go get the box. Let's start unboxing the heads and the cams too. All right. Let me tell you something, guys. They packaged this thing good. Threw all that stuff in there. Threw it in a bag. Zip tied the bag. Boom. That's your first look right here. Oh yeah. All right. I'm about to set back the time lapse. Stand by. Targets. I mean, what? Wow. Let me tell y'all something. This is some nice work. These are the C heads. These are the 4-valve C heads. And let me tell you something. After the first look, I'm looking. It looks all right. But then, boom. Check it. Look at that. Them joints look nice. Look at them stage 2.5 springs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good, huh? Yeah, find those. But yeah, looks really good. You put all new ones in, cleaned everything real good. It looks like immaculate. These things look brand new. Like, check that. That looks pretty freaking good. So, yep. I'm gonna figure out what side this goes on, and I'm gonna throw it on the block, so stand by. Alright, well, here you go. It's pretty freaking nice, right? Oh yeah. I don't know if he did this or it was like this, but that says, I don't know if you can see it, but that says DR. That's my initials. I don't know if that's always on these C heads or I don't know, but I thought that was pretty cool. It says DR, which is my first initial and last initial. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on. Alrighty, so the directions say I got to get this stamp side onto the head. So that stamp side is gonna go on there. So when I'm torquing it down, the washer is not going to be spinning. And it says to, let's see what it says. So place washer and clean it with degreaser. It says that somewhere in there. I read it. So I put some purple power in here. Purple power, boom. Letting it soak for a little. Then I'm taking it. And that is the stamp side. Well, you can trust me on that one. That's the stamp side. Take it out the degreaser. Clean it up a little bit. And now I'm putting the stamp side onto the block. So here we go. The stamp side, here we go. The stamp side is down. So boom. I got to do the rest of these, but I'm going to do it real quick, put the nut on, and then I'll get with you guys when I'm done. now that you got the bolts all torqued down to 85 pounds, I'm gonna go ahead and do it one more time just to double check. Yep. And like that, the heads are done. Those bolts right over here, torqued down to 85 foot-pounds, I mean. But this side's done. I'm gonna turn the motor over and start on the other side tomorrow. All right, so like I said in my previous videos, I'm not using one of those fancy Cosmetech. What's those head gaskets called? Cometic head gaskets, because I'm not going over 1,000 horsepower. The OEM head gasket. My camera for some reason won't focus, but there's a 3-layer head gasket which is good for up to 1,000 horsepower. Or no, Jordan Martin said 1,500, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one on. I just cleaned the surface, and I'm gonna get the other head and throw it on now. All right, so I'm about to do my final torque on the bolts. Here it says the last one I'm gonna do 85 pounds. So I'm gonna go through one more time and do a final check. All right, so right now we're figuring out top dead center. We put these chopsticks in there, and we figured it out. There's a mark there too. Right there, there's a mark. But we got top dead center. Now it's time to unbox these stage 2 turbo cams. But let me get this cleared off. I can show y'all. Some serious lopage we got going on here. But we're gonna try and mock these bad boys up right now. Alright, now since the heads are installed, we're gonna go ahead and check the clearances on the cams. So this is the intake cam on the right side. We're gonna go ahead and throw the tops on and just rotate it and make sure it's not hitting nothing and all the clearances are good. But everything looks good right now. But we're gonna go ahead and test it. But we got them in, cams in, rotating nice and like real nice. Check it. Clearances are good. It like just makes these clearances though, which is a little suspect, but I'm gonna get a light. It just makes it, so it's good. But we're gonna torque this cam bolt on here, and we can't do this one until we put the timing stuff on and the chains and all that jazz. But we'll torque this one on, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna play this smart now. Got in contact with Jordan Martin at Modular Head Shop, and we're gonna get his timing chain degree kit. So we can degree these cams perfectly, get top dead center perfect. The chopsticks was a good idea, but we're gonna do it the right way. So that should be in the mail. I guess the next video on the block will be degreeing the cams. So we just stopped on this side, and we'll take care of this side once we get the degree kit. But it looks really good. I'm excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I should have another video coming back out here soon. I got inside the car doing wiring, whipping out the dash and all that jazz. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all at the next video.